Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another Etsy tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change the email address on your Etsy account. This was a video requested by one of my subscribers. It is a short video because there's only a few steps to do, but I did want to go ahead and do the video, so make sure that you stay tuned all the way. If this is your first time visiting my Etsy channel and you are an Etsy seller or thinking of becoming an Etsy seller, then this is the channel to be at. I upload weekly videos about Etsy and how to build a thriving business on Etsy. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you want to do in order to change your email address on Etsy is you want to go to your Etsy account. You log in, and then what you want to do is you want to click on where it says you, and then from there, you want to go to account settings. Once you go to account settings, all you will have to do is go to the bottom portion where it says email. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and type in your new email. And then what you want to do is retype it to confirm the new email. And then you want to type in your password. And that's just for security reasons to make sure that you are the Etsy owner. Now, once you type in the password, what you want to do is a confirmation email has been sent to the new email from Etsy. You want to go into your new email and click on confirm to confirm the change that you just did. Once you go in there and you confirm the change, that there's nothing else you have to do. The new email has been changed on your Etsy account. Now, do keep in mind that only one Etsy email is allowed per Etsy account. So if you have an account that currently has an Etsy email, but you want to switch that Etsy email to a different Etsy account, what you want to do is you want to log in to the email that you want to switch it to, um, the email that currently has the email, and you want to put a new email for the temporary. And then what you want to do is do the whole change again. You want to go in there, confirm the new email, put in your new password. And then what you do is now that email, that old email is available, you log into the other Etsy account and then you put in your new email and then you confirm it again also because they're going to send you a confirmation. And that's it. And that's how you could change one email from one Etsy account and use that same email to a different email. But just keep in mind that Etsy only allows you to use one email per Etsy account. So if you wanted to switch them around, you have to put a different email on the previous one that you want to remove it from. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful. It is a quick video on how to change your email address on Etsy. If you have any questions about this video, make sure you leave a comment below and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you guys.